Hi guys, I'm Tayyib. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm gonna design two screens of a messaging app in Figma. There will be 4 to 5 videos on this design. So let's just start our design. These are the colors that I will use in this design. Here I have 4 shades of both green and black colors. So first of all, I will design the splash screen of our app. The splash screen of our app will be very simple. It will contain only a dark background and a logo on it. Now we will use 6 column grid in this design. In order to create 6 column grid, use these values. Now I will design the login screen of our app. This screen will contain an email box, password box, a checkbox, and then 2 more buttons and some other elements. So let's just design it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me on Instagram, and see you in the next video. Take care.